Hello and welcome back to another episode of Capitalism Lab. Last time I remember, there's quite a bit of things happening. In other words, I believe, so I haven't played this game since last time, the episode where I found out that I need to get market dominance in communication devices and electronic products, which is quite okay. Mainly because I've got CPUs running now, which is quite nice to see. Probably need to have, well, I do have a CPU warehouse, which is quite nice as well. So you can see that I've got enough CPUs right now. Video games, not enough, but handheld devices, on the other hand, the warehouse is here. You can see that it's almost pointless now. Wow, they have a very good quality. Why is this? $56, $35, $46. Oh, they have the top tech. Wow, okay. That is really interesting. I think I was doing everything in Shanghai, right? Yeah, so. And looking at my tech, I'm quite behind, which means that it's probably time to get a headquarters going so I can probably see the tech out there. CEO, let me get a human resource so I can train my people. 22 mil, that's good enough. Going back to CEO, and let's see. So, handheld, wow. Okay, cool. Thank you for that. But other than that, I don't really see anything else which other people have that I'm going into, so that's quite nice as well. So that should up my quality for handheld, and hopefully, so you can see quality does play a bit of a role. So hopefully the quality does go up, and that might just, you can see stuffed toys as well. Okay, wow, almost captured the entire market. It's quite cool. This one, on the other hand, not quite captured the market. Vancouver, yes. Vancouver, San Francisco, not so much. I have good branding basically, but they've got another person selling these items. Shanghai, and on, I mean, it's quite nice. And then video games, on the other hand, I have not enough being made, so I probably need one more factory. And I mean, one of the reasons might be electronic components. However, let's see, it just might be the right time to make electronic components, to be honest, because it's being used everywhere, like literally everywhere. So chemical minerals, silicon and steel, colon, so let's put a large factory and we see how it goes. I don't think I have another choice. I really need to be manufacturing this. So let's start by using existing resources, and then maybe down the line, because I need to really go into TVs right now, so I can start advertising it as well. So electronic components, no. So you need steel and silicon and chemical. Steel, silicon. This one makes steel. Silicon I've got myself and chemical minerals, okay. So if I purchase, and then do the three-way thing, I believe you need steel. Hold on, let me double check. Might be doing it the wrong way. chemical, silicon, and steel. So yeah, it is 3 items. So put silicon here in the middle, mainly because it's my own product. Manufacture, 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 and then sales. And here I definitely need to put high training because I'm guessing there'll be shortage at some point, sooner or later. Oh no, I realize this. The 3 of them need to be connected, so this is useless because I've got one here, then I need to put one here so it connects, and then 2 that way. So let's actually make this into purchase. Here I'll just get in chemical minerals. All cities, chemical minerals. Oh, great, 85. It's good enough to worry about this. And then here I'll change this to steel, and I'll use 2 of my own. And again, it's because I'd rather have 2 of my own supply than worry about. Okay, great. So internal sale only, 68. I think it's best on the market. It is. So I've got 68 here. That's pretty solid, which means that I can change all electronic components to my own. Electronic components, 68 electronic components, and I'll probably end up with a shortage soon enough, I think. But we'll see. I might need to have a warehouse just for electronic components. Give it some time and we'll figure it out. I don't want to rush into having another warehouse because you never know. But because I think I probably need to. But let's just see what happens. So everyone here needs electronic components. So this game has basically just been, and we can have a look here, and you can definitely see that it's not going to be enough. Okay, pause. Okay, I definitely need. I definitely need a warehouse for this. Let's get a medium warehouse. Let's get a large warehouse because everything I'm working on is going to require electronic components. So yeah, sure. Electronic components, factory 1. And I'm keeping it open for a 3rd factory. So this basically means that all of these guys need to go through the warehouse. Okay. Okay, internal sales. So basically back to where I was. Warehouse, warehouse. First one, warehouse, warehouse. And I also need to remember that steel is from the port, which means that sooner or later I'm going to run out of it, and I need to look into producing it myself. Pretty much that. Okay, so I definitely need to duplicate this. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. Internal sales, the warehouse, get me a 2nd factory. And I think maybe now we might be able to work it out. Okay, I like this now. We have a lot of electronic components, which is quite great to see. So Video game console seems like we might need one more factory for that, because now you can see the electronic components are no longer the issue. So one more factory of this. Okay, there you go. So this one will come in, internal sales, and then come into the warehouse, put in the third console. Seems like this one, and then we can do that. And this one will be finally have more supply and hopefully meet the demand required. So that should be, you can see here that this one's already a 2 million market, which is quite nice. That's just by one factory managed to get another 2 mil. Okay, I think that should be good enough for now in terms of raw materials I've got. Now let's have a quick look at the other things I need to do. Communication devices, CCD. This one is easy. This one is CCD, which is basically made this way. So I need to have a CCD factory. So let's buy more land. I feel like getting a media company, I won't lie, but let's see after I put everything in if I'm able to do that. I'll put a large factory because CCDs are going to go quite a bit of places. CCDs, no. Okay. So pretty much this is how it's going to be. Actually, no. I could do something else. Hold on. I could do this exact same replica. 5-1. So you know what? I'm going to save this setting. User defined. Oh, I have it. Okay, great. So I'll come in here. User defined. Use this one. And then, okay. You change to CCD. 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 And I mean, it's obvious the quality is low. I was not expecting myself to need CCDs. Internal sales rates. Wow, it's very bad quality. But I believe soon enough, hopefully, I will catch up. And everything. So that's quite nice. So let's go to a factory then. Large factory. And let's get the mobile phone game going. No, I don't want that. Yes, give me 3 phones. My own no. Don't use other people's electronic components. What is the point? Okay, electronic components, plastic. Got my own plastic as well. And it's, why do I have 2 plastic factories? Makes no sense. Okay, seriously. I have a small plastic factory and a large plastic factory. Okay, yeah, I probably need to, I don't know what this is doing. What are you doing here? Glasses, not doing anything. Yeah, I remember I had a plan for that. Probably, let's have a quick look into dye stuff. Could do dye stuff. Yeah, let me just do that. I believe it's oil and timber. So oil is 85. It's my own oil. So we can change this to timber. 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 5361. 61, I guess. So this gives me dye stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be a big write-off, but it's okay. I can move it a bit, stop it here. And you can see, oh wow, it's very high quality. So I can now just use my own dye stuff. I mean, that was eventually gonna happen, so we both knew it was coming. And this will also improve my stuff toys. Textiles are my own, cotton are my own. Going back to look at my cotton factory. So I definitely need to see all of my things. Okay, great. You're using my own cotton. You are using my own cotton. Textile factory. Oh, so textile is becoming a problem. That is interesting to see. So hold on. Textiles. Okay, textile is the one that's killing us. Interesting. I guess I could just change this into... Hold on, let's just have a look on how dye stuff works. Don't think I'll need more of it. Okay, great. So I need more textiles. Am I selling textiles to people? I'm not. So you're the one who's causing a blockage now. Guess I could just make another small firm. I know it's a very stupid thing to do, but at this point I really don't care. This is really out of my... It's almost like I don't really want to use... It's more like this is... Like I'm done with this market. I'm just keeping it now. Okay. Great. So you've got your own textiles and you've got your own textile now. Which I think should be good enough. I've added all the new factory. We don't have that much demand, so I think it should be okay. I need to focus on mobile phones and other stuff. So this is in very bad quality. We've got way better qualities being sold. The next factory. Seriously, man. All this land and there's no space to make large factory. I'm just buying land for no reason. Okay, another large factory. This time we'll make camera phones. Can I not do the other way? No, don't do CCDs here. I have low quality CCDs. I would rather do electronic components because I've got higher quality electronic components. So let's switch. You become electronic components. And you become electronic components. Oh wait, it should be warehouse. Great, and you become CCD. CCD, no warehouse. There you go. Plastic, got our own plastic. Great. So I've got mobile phone, I've got camera phone. And there's somebody in the market already at 41. Mine is at 30. Okay, I'm gonna catch up soon enough. And looking at this, quality matters, price matters as well. Okay, we'll figure this out in a second. The next thing I want to check is, was it electronics? Electronic products. Camcorder. Why is it red? Do I need to discover this? Oh, no, 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 no. This is bad news. That is bad news. Okay, I've got space here. Number 4. Compact notebook camera. Notebook computer compact camera. Hold on. If I look at goals, it's electronic products. Electronic products is camcorder, hi-fi system, portable media, and television. Camcorder. Not known by me. Yet I don't see it here. Oh, I might just... Oh, I realize it. I'm probably doing it somewhere here. Yes, I have it here. Okay, that's fine. So I probably made this for no reason, but we can always just have a quick look and see if I missed something. DVDs, desktops, elegant blunt engines, gold rings, gold, hi-fi systems. There you go. Give me 3 years. Actually, give me 2 years. 3 years is a bit too much. So if I actually go back to my headquarters and we try to acquire tech, you can see that camcorder has someone. Okay, so I'm gonna get hit hard there. This is not part of it. Camera phone, someone is there as well. Okay, I'm gonna end the episode here and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.